Welcome, today I'm showing how to switch on or off screen touches into screen recorder in your Xiaomi 12. Firstly, open your settings, scroll down and find additional settings. Go into and here choose screen recorder option. And here we got all screen recorder parameters. So on the bottom we got show touch gangsters option. This position of switcher it's turn off, this like blue it's activate this option, and additional option it's show button taps. If you wanna to activate this option, tap and like blue position it's activate this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.